Welcome to episode number 45 of Turning $100 into $1 million, the series where I risk a whopping $100 of my money in an attempt for your entertainment to turn it into $1 million. We do have the stock to look at a little bit later on in this episode. Unfortunately, Levi has swung back into the negative. I thought it was in an uptrend there, and perhaps I'd even be able to sell it in the near, not too distant future. But it's unfortunate, but it is now back in the red. But at any rate, we'll take a look at those profit and loss numbers and then the charts as always. So RF still does hold steady. It is remaining strong. 210 profit or 9.67%. It's pretty good. Maybe I'll sell that one, but only 2 shares of it, so it's not going to allow me to buy too much. Maybe a cheaper penny stock than the price of RF. If I do sell it, DGLY, it's maintaining $2. We'll look at the chart and see what's going on. Hopefully, $2 is the new stronghold, and we can expect an uptrend from here. But it is 46.86 in the red, or 51.57% down. Levi, 84 cents, or 3.21%. So it's only a matter of like one good trading day, and that would do it. Just one decent trading session could bring it back into positive territory, as it is only down 3.21%, and dollar-wise, it's only 84 cents. So we're not at a drastic loss there. But I was hoping that it would remain in the green and go up, maybe a little bit down, but not back in the red. Viacom, $15 up, or 98.68%. Too bad I only have one share of that it was a free stock. Can't complain though. But $30, 30.20 is the market value on it, so that would allow me to buy several shares of a pretty cheap penny stock. So we'll see what I can scoop up there with that amount if I were to sell it soon. OXLC, 528 in the red, or 13.25 down. Look at the charts. RF, 12 cents or 1% down on Friday's trading day. So a little bit of action after hours there. So you can call it 0.75% if you do the math. 5 days does show positive territory there. 1 month also in the green. Looking at 7.5% for the month. 6 months now. Very, very steady uptrend. This is quite impressive. Little ups and downs in the first half of that trend. But now 44.19% for 6 months. That's very good. Year to date, of course with the virus, is going to show down. But other than that, we're holding strong with RF. DGLY, 3 cents down, or 1.5% on Friday's trading day. Did bounce back up to $2 after hours, so I said it about $3, but hopefully $2 will be the bulwark for this stock, and that will basically keep it at $2 and keep it alive for as long as it can go. 5 months, you could see the situation here, though. 6 months, rather. And Levi, 68 cents down, 5.15%, so that would do it. That was enough to put it back into the negative after it was doing well for the month. If you see the month trend here, it was up. At the highest point, the peak, it was up 11.39%. It is still remaining green for the month, but only 1.87%, so not enough to be comfortable. Viacom, 10 cents, 0.33, not much, just a normal slight down tick. More action after hours. 5 days, looking very good. 1 month, this stock, very impressive. Perfect uptrend for the 1 month there, 13%. 6 months, beautiful, beautiful, steady uptrend. Talking almost 152% for the 6 months. So glad I got this free stock. And if you would like free stocks, as always, you can use my link down below. Sign up with Webull, you'll get 2 free stocks, all on me. Free to open up an account there. One valued up to $1,400 when you use my link down below with Webull and sign up. OXLC just down a cent. It was up for the day in the early hours of the trading day. Came down, came back up, but just ticked down barely 1 cent. 5 days coming down, but 1 month, the overall picture here does remain strong. 6 months, beautiful. Year to date, up, down, up, down, up. And pretty much just trading sideways right now. Stock we do have to look at in this episode is Spartan Energy or SPAQ, ticker symbol SPAQ. And you can see today alone, including after hours, we're looking at nearly 6% up. It surpassed $17 after hours. So just today alone, 63 cents plus another 35. But look at the 5 days. Did start the 5 days out pretty much where it was, but after hours definitely made it a lot more of a positive stock, and it's on the rise. 1 month, you'll see. We do that once more, you will see it is up nearly 39% for the 1 month. 6 months, you get this clear picture here where it was $10 for a very long time, even throughout the virus. You wouldn't even know that the virus happened if you look at this chart here. It was basically trading the same regardless of pandemic or not. But then you had this massive spike come first week of July, came off that high, but now it's swinging up again. So what is happening? If you look at the year to date, there was a little few bumps there in the early days of the virus. Crazy trading days, very risky, massive volatile. It will, if you see the spikes like this means there was very little volume and it was just a couple orders for the day. So very dangerous, but now it's probably a lot more volatile and there's much more heavy volume now with the stock swinging. Even the 5-year chart, this stock just did not budge. No one was buying the stock. Even the max, the lifetime of the stock. Perhaps something happened here where more shares were offered. I don't think this is accurate. Let me know down below in the comments if you are investing in this stock, because I know the title will pick up with the keywords there, and people that are investing or thinking about buying or maybe shorting Spartan Energy will find this video. So let me know what's going on here with this chart, because I don't know if this is 100% accurate. I don't know if this is a clear depiction. But it does look like something you would buy, right? It looks like it's on the rise, and you see the 1 month to 6 months there. It has now surpassed this high of 1670. However, analysts are really not on board with this stock, and they're saying don't let it fool you, in essence, because let's take a look at the first analysis here. Spartan Energy has a long road to revenue, so skip it. Spartan Energy stock came to prominence only a few weeks ago prior to the Fisker deal. Wasn't much talked about outside of niche circles. Jumped nearly $17 onto that news. Traded down to near $12 a month later. That was the little dissipation there of the stock we saw on the chart. And then it's risen back to above $15. The neat U-shaped decline and increase is that time may lead speculators to believe that it will break out. And it did break out of that high. But the author is not so sure about the catalysts for SPAQ. Shares continue to rise quickly, but they're mixed at best as far as the catalysts. And despite EV acceptance and market interest in all things EV and clean tech, stock has a volatile ride ahead. There's currently a lot of interest in concerning SPAQ stock due to the Fisker announcement and EV interest in general. For investors in the stock, it would pay to consider the future sales, particularly what will timeline investors might expect regarding delivery and future demand. So demand may not be there in the future. This might not be a stable stock to invest in short, in other words. So it's just another Tesla subsidy per se, just another one of these energy stocks that we've looked at, or electric car vehicle stocks that we've analyzed prior in other episodes that are just kind of copycats of Tesla, subordinates to Tesla, and they're not going to hold up as strong. Once again, do not believe the buzz surrounding SPAQ stock. This is another author now, even though it's the same media company. And right off the bat, the author does not mince words, saying, quote, "I do not believe that the Spartan Energy Acquisition Corp stock is a buy at this point. Spartan Energy is slated to eventually become the stock of Fisker Inc., an electric vehicle maker founded by auto designer Henrik Fisker." So there's a lack of differentiation that the author talks about. The Volkswagen deal could easily fall through, and Henrik Fisker's previous venture went bankrupt, so can't put all of your trust into this deal. But we'll take a look at the net account value now for this stock, and it is 162.23. The other day I looked at it, came down to 160, so a little bit of bounce back, but lower than the previous episode. But that will be it for this one. If you did enjoy this video, give the video a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and you want to see more of my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. That way you're notified every single time I make a new video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.